So, the rains has just finished, and looks like we got some flooding in the field, which is good. As you can see, the water is retaining for the rice to grow. So hopefully it'll rain some more. It's kind of spitting now, but it's kind of stopped now. But as you see, the rice fields over there, it's been seeded today. Been working hard on it all day. And you can see the pond is filling up with fresh water. And that's how it is on the homestead today. 2 dogs. See if they come. That's my call to them. Yep. Anyway, we had the rain, so enjoy your day. Bye bye.